Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jared Allen here with Weather Iowa. Going to get you up to date on the weather situation that is taking place across the northern Iowa area. We've got some more severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect for portions of Iowa. We'll run down. I mean, obviously, we've got a line of severe thunderstorms that is moving into the area. So we'll kind of run down what is going to be happening with that. We do have a tornado watch, which is in effect until 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. this evening for portions of northern Iowa. So we've got that. We've got that happening. Tornado watch until 7 p.m., which that will affect a lot of people throughout the northern Iowa area. We'll run down kind of what is happening right now for the time being here, what the Weather Service has got going on right now. We've got a line of storms that is moving east, getting ready to approach Lawrence and Mallard. There's severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for this area. Severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clay until 4:15. We've also got severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 for southeastern Cherokee and Buena Vista counties in Iowa. Those areas. We've also got a severe thunderstorm warning until 4:15 for southeastern Woodbury and central Ida counties of northern Iowa. So we've got a variety of different events that are taking place, severe weather events that are taking place currently throughout the North Iowa area. Of course, we'll keep you informed. I'm going to run down some more here in just a moment. I want to share this video on Facebook right now so some other folks can join in and watch what's happening. Of course, we've got a tornado watch in effect for portions of western Iowa. That is in effect until 7 o'clock this evening. We've got a pretty strong line of storms that are moving through. We've got a severe thunderstorm warning for Crawford County until 4:15. We've got severe storm warning for eastern Harrison County and southwestern Iowa, northwestern Shelby County until 4:45 as this line continues to move east. And of course, this is going to continue to fill in as the afternoon and evening progresses. We've got a severe thunderstorm warning until 4:15 for northern Ida County. The warning for southeastern Woodbury County that has been canceled. Looks like the heavier part of the line is more south with a more intense line of storms to the west of the Des Moines area. They just issued this warning that is in effect until 4:30. Severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Crawford, southwestern Carroll counties until 4:30. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Radar indicated threat. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees across that area. So we've got the potential. The potential does exist there for severe weather across northern Iowa with that tornado watch in effect until 7 o'clock this evening. And warnings are going to continue here through the afternoon and evening hours. Now, if you're traveling north into southern Minnesota, we've got a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect until 8 o'clock this evening for that area. Another warning just came in for Iowa. I don't know if that's a warning or a warning update. We're going to take a look here and just see. Yeah, it's just a severe weather statement. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 for central Crawford County. Some of those are just updates on the original warnings that are in effect, and that is for this particular storm right here, which is just over the Denison area and Buck Grove to the northwest of Manila and northwest of Defiance there in central Iowa there. A tornado watch does remain in effect for that area. For those of us here in northern Iowa, looks like we've got thunderstorms that are going to be moving in here through the afternoon and into the evening hours as they're west of the Algona area right now. We've got those storms are moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. So they're moving in. They probably will be moving into the Algona area here within the next hour, probably around 5-ish. and then further areas further east after that. The latest update I saw from the National Weather Service had Mason City area between 5 and 7, I do believe. Let's just take a look at that information from the Weather Service that had come in here. Let's see. This is the latest report. Let's look at the time. 7 and 9 here. This frame here, 4 to 5 in the Algona areas with thunderstorm activity moving in. After that, east of Mason City after 9 o'clock this evening, and 4 to 5. That kind of gives you an idea. Most likely storm arrival today. Now, if you have outdoor plans, know where the nearest shelter is located, have multiple ways to receive warnings. Review your severe weather safety plan as well. These are the threats. Tornadoes likely in the brown areas. Better chances in southwest Iowa, where the line at this point is stronger. Damaging winds possible for the entire state. 60 to 70 mile per hour threat that will move in this evening as storms move across Iowa. The highest threat is southwestern Iowa. Hail will be most likely in western and southwestern Iowa early this evening, with the lowering as storms move into central Iowa through the evening. So basically this area here through 11 o'clock this evening basically remain aware as storms move towards the east. So that's basically what we've been saying here. And obviously storms are definitely possible. Tornado watch in effect until 7. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 8 for portions of southern Minnesota. So the good news is that storm activity should be out of this area. The threat should be pretty much done before the midnight hour, so it won't affect any overnight sleeping for those of us here in the state of Iowa. But right now, as it stands, yellow areas, tornado watch here in effect until 7 o'clock this evening. We've got some activity just to the west of Emmitsburg, west of Mallard, and west of Pocahontas here this afternoon. Another isolated storm here, over 2-inch hail just to the south of Holstein and to the southwest of Galva, that area into the northwest of Ida Grove and north of Battle Creek. Pretty intense thunderstorm cell over that area. Let's take a closer look here with this possibility of significant hail. Yeah, you can see the hail here over Gillette Grove and to the southwest of the Webb area. And Truesdale looks like some pretty significant hail in that area, and just to the west of Storm Lake, some pretty intense hail across that area right now. So that's kind of where we stand at this point. This line will continue to move east. Once the line moves through, the severe weather threat most likely will be over, as temperatures behind the front are a lot cooler. Obviously, we haven't had a lot of instability. Let's take a look at the cloud cover over northern Iowa here. I mean, obviously, cloud cover interferes with storm development down here. We've got some clearing and some sunshine in that area, which will add more to the instability. But if you got some cloud cover here with less sunshine, the possibility of storms to intensify rapidly kind of decreases with the afternoon here. But we've got tornado watch in effect until 7 o'clock for the yellow areas of the state of Iowa. I wouldn't be surprised if they start pulling some of these counties here west of this line with this tornado watch as the line moves through, and temperatures. Let's take a look at the dew points. See, the dew points here behind it have fallen. You know, Sioux Falls, it's only a 28 dew point, much drier air back here, which leads to less probability of severe weather. As we look at temperatures, still 80 in Sioux Falls, but temperatures are a lot, the air is a lot drier back here, so you don't have as much instability probability there with the potential for some severe weather. But as of right now, looks like these areas seem to have the most significant severe weather. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect. That's in effect for eastern Crawford, southwestern Carroll until 4:30. These warnings are in effect until 4 o'clock here, 4 o'clock there, 4:15 for southeastern Clay County, and they'll be moving into Palo Alto and areas of Pocahontas County, and those areas probably affecting Algona and Dakota City within the next couple of hours. So that's where we stand at this point when it comes to severe weather across northern Iowa. I want to thank everybody for watching. Tornado Watch, of course, that does remain in effect through this evening. Yes, Tornado Watch for a lot of areas of North Iowa. As you can see there, Mason City. I don't know if Mason City will have a tornado watch, though, Samuel. And thanks for watching, Amanda. Really appreciate it. Let your friends know about our page. We would love to have you follow us. And I promise I'll respond for different. We'll do the best we can to respond to with what's happening. So thanks for watching, everybody. Tornado Watch, of course, in effect until 7 o'clock this evening, and we'll keep you informed with the latest weather information here on the Weather Iowa social media platforms. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and we'll chime in a little bit later, let you know what's happening.